Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're doing something a little different. We're going to zoom in, really zoom in on a single item.
A very specific one.
It's a cable, specifically the Datavideo CASDI50-4.5. It's a 50-foot BNC cable built to this Belden #5005F spec.
Yep.
And our mission really is to unpack what this one component, which costs nearly $300, tells us about the world of professional broadcast video.
And right off the bat, you see it's not just any wire. The spec says 4.5 gigabits per second.
GBPs, right? Not gigabytes.
Exactly. That tells you immediately this is a high-performance data path for mission-critical video. It's all about signal integrity.
Okay, let's unpack that. Why SDI, the serial digital interface with that BNC connector? It looks kind of old school compared to, HDMI.
Well, that BNC and SDI combination is essential in the field. It's rugged.
Right.
It's lockable, which is huge.
So it can't get pulled out by accident.
Precisely. Consumer stuff like HDMI just can't guarantee that clean, uncompressed signal over a long run.
And 50 feet is a pretty long run.
It is. That's 15 meters. So that 4.5 GBP standard means this cable has to carry everything from old standard def signals to modern HD feeds with zero dropouts. None.
Okay, so that brings us to the elephant in the room.
The price.
The price. It's listed today at $273.90. I mean, wait, a 50-foot cable costs more than a pretty decent microphone. How do you justify that?
You're not really buying copper wire, you're buying insurance.
Insurance against failure.
Exactly. The price is for guaranteed performance. Sure, the Belden #FuFine05F material is top-notch, but at these speeds, over that distance, the tiniest flaw in the cable or the connector.
And the signal is gone.
The signal is gone. When you're live on air, that guarantee, which is backed by the Datavideo factory warranty, is worth its weight in gold.
Okay, that makes sense.
And there's actually another layer of cost built in here. You see, it's TAA compliant.
TAA. What does that mean in this context?
It stands for the Trade Agreements Act. It basically means the cable meets certain procurement standards for, say, government or institutional buyers.
So it's about more than just quality. It's about trust.
It's totally about trust. It means the cable wasn't just sourced from some unvetted supplier. It's mandated for secure installations. And that whole process of compliance, it adds cost.
Right, that distinction is key. And you can see it on the source page, too. The raw Belden 1505F cable, the bulk stuff.
Yeah.
It's listed for about $15 for a short length.
$15.
And then you have this, the fully assembled, factory-terminated, certified TAA compliance solution for almost $300.
That's the whole story right there. It's the difference between buying ingredients and buying a finished, tested, professional tool.
A tool you can't afford to have fail.
You just can't risk it. The cost of failure in a live broadcast is, well, it's astronomical. So that premium starts to make a lot of sense.
So the big takeaway here is that in professional video, even something that seems simple, like a cable, is actually an intense piece of engineering.
It really is.
It's loaded with all these demands: performance, regulation, reliability.
Absolutely. So here's a final thought for you to chew on. We've been focused on this 50-foot version, right?
Yeah.
Considering the high price for all that certification and guaranteed performance at 50 feet, what other unexpected things, maybe not even technical hurdles, but regulatory ones or more intense testing, what might exist for the 100-foot version to guarantee that exact same perfect signal transmission?
Wow.
That's where the real complexity of broadcast engineering is hiding, in plain sight.